False alarm. I think he was talking to those people out there that are going like way too far. Except the boat's way out there. I know they do come closer, but as you can see, the water's a little dark. Or should I say brownish where I am. And then it gets really blue way out there. That's where they are. Like, I think they went a little too far. The lifeguard's like, we're not coming out there to save you, so you need to bring yours back. Next time I come, I'm going to make sure I have some waterproof things to aid me at going under the water with my phone, because right now I do not have that with me. And I would have loved to show you guys all the fish that were surrounding my feet, and probably still are. You know, you can't see through the water. It's impossible because it's a little dark and sandy. Sand everywhere. This is what you would call a sandbar. Now you can go out for as long as probably like 1,000 feet or more.
What did you guys do to the fish?
Man,
They're all just facing your way.
it just feels good to be in the water, to walk all the way out. See, they're enjoying walking way out there. Well, I'm not going way out there because that's like borderline where the big fish are. Although they can come up this way, I think I'm going to stay out of their way and stay where the little ones are. They feel a little weird, but I can handle those. I don't want no big fish nibbling at my toes. So it's like having fun. Oh, they say they're by her. You can kind of see, but because I'm recording from the phone, you can't really see under the water. Oh, geez. She said it's a dope fish.
It is.
I wish I could stick my phone under the camera and show you guys. I don't want nothing weird or crazy or big riding by here like, OMG. Just swimming. It's like not a whole lot of people that way, but everybody's that way. They're having fun in the sun.
Is it the glasses? Are they shiny?
I don't think the fish can see her glasses above the water. Say hi, Katea. Don't look so happy to be here. I need that boat. Either one of them would do just nicely. That one looks better though. I need a boat. I need a boat and some jet skis. That's all I want. And a house.
Hey, you can come and
Waza. Oh, I think she just felt some more. Did you feel some more? They nibbling at your toes.
They just keep going like this around him, circling, and they just.
It feels so freaking weird. They like peck at your feet. It feels so freaking weird. I can't. I swear. Next time I come, I promise I'm gonna have it where I can be waterproof, because I need you guys to see this. It feels so freaking weird. It feels so weird.
Maybe it's because what you're doing.
I'm not doing anything. I'm standing here. What am I doing? I'm standing still and they're pecking my feet.
Me too. They just want to peck that chili.
But it feels nasty. It feels so disgusting.
There's this big dark one out there. It's not a bass or anything, but it's like black. Why they up to like your knees?
Oh my gosh.
They keep attacking me.
They're not attacking you. Don't say that. They're not barracudas. Would you stop? She just grabbed my knee as if I didn't feel that was a difference from a fish than somebody's fingers.
I tried to do that.
You did that though.
Yes, I did. You know why I did that?
So you can move them?
There's a big fish.
There was one just on my knee.
No matter what I try, they just stay there without coming closer.
OMG.
Anybody bring a bucket?
No, I didn't bring a bucket. you can see
Well, we can stick it there.
everybody's on the beach, just having fun, living life.
Oh my god, oh my god.
I really need to be out there on the ocean right now. I really do.
I'll touch one.
All the boats come in from down there. Down there. That's what you call the inlet. No, they're coming in from there. From the intercoastal.
Mommy, I guess you're not interested. They went all back to there.
Good, because I think they're weird for checking on my feet. Touching my toes.
Yeah, they keep moving around. They won't touch you. Like, hit your feet against the sand and they'll start going somewhere place else. How funny. This would be right there.
Katea, are you mentally calling the fish towards you? Hey.
What's up, y'all?
This is KK. And we are having a splash bash on July 14th for her. We're just like enjoying the water this summer. We've been to the pool, to the beach, to the beach, to the pool. Second time pool.
We went to the beach one time. We went to
this
the pool
week.
One time.
Twice.
We went to the beach 2 times.
We went to the beach. So we got in the pool twice this week.
Oh yeah, then we got in the pool 2 times, and we got in the beach 2 times.
Right.
Tomorrow we're getting in the pool. So yeah, tomorrow, maybe we might.
Because Friday I have to do some work.
And I'm leaving.
I know, so maybe we can do the pool again tomorrow because.
So you take me to Auntie tomorrow? No, I'm just kidding.
You can't go anywhere. You just came back.
I know.
She hasn't been anywhere yet. She can go. And she doesn't have to come back until she feels like it's. Stay as long as you want. She wants to go to her aunt's in Wellington. We'll be in Wellington because there's a nice little water park that we want to go to in Wellington. So. If you would like, we'll come get you because I know the pool's like 3-4 miles away from the entrance of where you're going. So if you want to go with us, just call me. It's closer to you, but in distance of walking, you have a longer ways to go. We're not walking at all. You're not going to do that. That's still a long ways. It's y'all way in the back of the neighborhood. Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Some more fish are gonna come get your feet.
I'll see you.
It like slowly slithered across my foot. That was so nasty.
Y'all look what I can do.
Y'all look what she can do. Look what she can do. Look what she can do.
She be twirling around like an elephant.
Hold on. I can literally just keep twisting. Look, I can just keep twisting.
Yeah, they're
hitting their toes to get to me or something.
They're slapping you.
You're not even recording me.
Gosh, I wish I really did have my freaking camera. That would be so funny.
They're not. The way she's standing, it looks like an arch. If you're just going through it. They're turning your body.
This is the Chrissy gang. Chris Dallas gang reporting live from the beach. From the East Coast. Where we do the most. You see how he's standing up? It looks like he's just walking on water.
Come on, let's do that.
I don't want to do that. See, that's still the sandbar. It goes out so far.
Let's go out so far.
I'm not going out so far. That's a current going that way. I don't want to go that way. That's where all the fish are at. I'm not trying to go that way. In South Florida, the beach is like where you should be right now. The weather is nice. It's hot as I don't know what. And there's just nowhere you would rather be other than in some AC, and that gets a little boring. So Yeah.
Isaiah, from right here to you, I'ma swim to you without breathing. Anytime. Ready?
Now you sound like a walrus.
Because it's full of beach water.
Cause what? You okay?
Swallow you up.
Ew, that water's disgusting. Yep, and we swimming in it. It feels good to swim in, but it don't feel good to drink it. That's nasty. The water's getting violent. Somebody's on the beach crying. These waves are starting to get a little... Oh, you look scared. Yeah. You're in their home.
They were wrapping their decks around me.
They was finna make a chain and choke her.
You know, one of them curved their body like this around my legs, you know, who went like that.
So they was finna snatch you under the water. That's what was going on. You're hilarious. Well, everybody, I'm about to start swimming away from the fish. And of course, again, because I got seaweed like all in my bathing suit. Since I am about to go under the water or just be free in the water, I can't take the phone because it's not waterproof today. So get at me next time. We're out. What?
If you're watching here, then her phone number will be in the link down below.
Is that what we do?
Huh?
Is that what we do? Is that what we do? Is that what we do? My phone number will not be in no link down below. No one told her to do that or say that.
No.
I'm not handing out phone numbers today. Because if you know me, you know how to get in touch with me.
The
You
swerve.
can message me.
The swerve.
But no, there will be no phone numbers given out. Thank you.